I changed my talk. Yeah, just like, I am. Nobody's gonna care.
Clear on what is the requirement, what is the effort needed, how it's going to affect other development applications.
Globalization,
Yes, essentially.
not just
Even for a big company like us, the blanket is short, right? Maybe we just launched the first so we have about 300 East Coast. They're now they're currently most of the 1,000 events a month. But in the end, we want to be able to do it the right way. We were kind of pushed into that faster than we were planning. I didn't plan on going more than an opportunity came across and we jumped on it and we got the expedite arbitrage. But probably now that the higher been into Germany, we have an office in Germany now. It's responsible for that region.
You're coming with us, yes?
Yes.
That one, to be honest. If it's going on YouTube or whatever, you better show that one. So these are demonstrator boards, and these show all the different connector types and switch types, or a range of the connectors and switches that SMK manufacture in Japan, China, Philippines. These are some modules that we produce from our factory in Mexico. This is a generic key fob design, which is designed for rapid implementation of a key fob using either BLE or Wi-Fi or ultra-wideband technology. This is actually in the marketplace now. These are just demonstrators really of the ability. So they can be branded and manufactured using the same core technology, same basic design, but tailored to suit any particular client, customer.
Thank you.
Various components and modules that we manufacture. So we manufacture, design and manufacture a range of switches. These are just a few of them, switches and connector systems, window switch modules, camera modules. These are communication, wireless communication modules, so Wi-Fi, Zigbee, Bluetooth, Bluetooth BLE, all kinds of things like that. And then we also build some of those things into modules that are used in various applications, not just automotive market, but consumer electronics.
Are they all for cars as well, yeah?
No, not all for cars. General consumer electronics, so household appliances, anything really, anything that you can think of. And this particular demonstration is for a new camera module that's been created, which provides both infrared and RGB output from a single camera. So the camera operates at 60 frames a second, and that's split out into 30 frames per second for the IR and 30 frames per second for the RGB.